Because you know I'm all about that bass, no treble. I'm all about that bass, no treble. I'm all about that bass,
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Bianca and today I have this really cool DIY on this unicorn frame. Okay, so to start off, you're going to be needing a pencil and a black marker. Any black marker that you have is fine. Using white computer paper, I measured it to be 8 by 10 so that it can fit inside of the frame. Since I don't have a fancy paper cutter, all I did was use the paper that the frame has inside and I measured it to the length that it was and then cut it out. So the key here is not to draw the eyes too on top, and I just placed a pen just to kind of divide the section of where I wanted to draw the eyes. Make sure that for this part you use a pencil first instead of the marker, because with the pencil, just in case there is any mistakes, it's easier to go in and erase. So now with this marker, I'm going to go ahead and go in and trace out those eyes and make the lines a little bit thicker. Using this Dream Bouncy blush by Maybelline in the shade Hot Tamale, I'm going to just take a tiny bit of it and put it in each side of the cheeks. To bring a little bit more girliness and creativity to this unicorn look, I decided to use these stars and place them in the corners of the eyes. Once you have given it enough time to dry, go ahead and flip the paper over and put it back into the frame. For the flowers, I decided to use these ones that were very vibrant and contrasted really great with one another. For the ears, I'm using white computer paper and pink felt paper. I'm gluing the pink felt paper to the ear and I just cut them into like triangular shape. And then I'm folding each side of the ear inwards and then hot gluing it just to secure it in place. Using this nail polish by Pure Eyes in the shade It's Complicated, I'm just going to be putting it all over the white part of the ears. So that we can give the ears enough time to dry, we're going to go ahead and go back to the flowers, and what you want to do is make sure that you place them in the place where you want them to be before you actually glue them down, just so that you can kind of get an idea of how you want to arrange them. Once you have an idea of how you want them to be, go ahead and hot glue them. I tried to overlap mine and this is how it came out. Now I'm just basically going to hot glue the ears behind the flowers and just glue them to the frame itself just so it can be a little bit more secure. For the horn, I'm using this silver foam paper, but you can honestly use any color that you want. I'm just folding it into a cone shape. Make sure that you do it thin enough just so it can come out small, especially if you have a smaller frame. Then here I'm just cutting the rest of the material off and hot gluing it just so that it can stay secure. And then also I'm going to be cutting that excess material off again. To make it look a little bit more detailed, I'm using this purple yarn and I'm basically just going to wrap it around the cone a couple of times. Then I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue and place it right in between the ears. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Also be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bye!